Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked at IRS for 10 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters, and that's my other expert. That's Sammy, the amazing mini German Shepherd. Anyway, what I want to talk to you today about, I've worked thousands of cases. I want to talk to you today about the IRS appeals process in both collections and audit. You know, many people try to do this thing by themselves, and that's great and everything. Good for you. I'm glad you do it. But generally, more than generally, more than actually generally, you're not going to have any success if you didn't have the first time. As a former agent, if you represent, and I'm not dissuading you not to represent yourself. I'm not. But I just want this to make sense to you. If it didn't go well the first time, and you're going to do this again, you have to add more to what you're doing. Now, sometimes you get really crappy agents, and those crappy agents just weren't good, so you want a second chance and you want a second hearing. I always tell people if they're not happy, always go to appeals, whether you use anybody or not. But what you have to do, I'm letting you know what you do. You should hire a professional, but if you're not, make sure you clearly spell out what was wrong, add new information, and you got to make a solid case for yourself. Don't write pages and pages and pages. 3 pages, 2 pages is enough. Just make your claim, open the door, and then get into appeals. Remember, all these are time sensitive. When they send you an appeal letter, you have usually 30 days, 60 days, whatever. You got to send that out by certified mail to ensure that you're going to have that hearing. For audit, it's different. Audit is you're going to want to show why that audit went bad and add new information, exhibits. You don't have to have 100% of it, but you have to have a good bulk of it to go ahead and have them really look at it. You want to be well organized doing this. If you owe money and you're going to the collection, oh, by the way, we have former agents in both of these fields, both for appeals and collections. I used to work in the appeals function, so we really know what we're doing. If it's in collection, remember, a lot of times when it goes to appeals, that's just an independent party. The revenue officer or the person handling your state still handles the case. They're looking for another person's eyeball on it to make sure they're correct. That's not true with the audit. Anyway, if you're going through an IRS appeal and you need good, solid representation, call us. Give me a subscription if you would. I appreciate it. But remember, always go to appeals. You want to do it yourself? Yeah, don't stop. Go for it. Thank you.